Alright, welcome back guys to another chapter of the weekly charts. So let's go over to the H4. I'll just go straight into the charts. Alright, so I have marked the H4 chart. Okay, last time the zone, this zone, it's not going to go there. So what, 30th April, well actually hold on a minute. Yeah, 30th April. Well, it could possibly. Let's have a look at the, H1. Yeah, this looks like a great zone. So 9th of May, when the last time it dropped from there, and then it's just been dropping recently. So for now, it's looks bearish to me, the DXY, but I don't know. Got a feeling that it can retest from here and go up. Let's go to the lower time frames. The zones are not really clear, I would say. Alright, from here, I don't know. So we could probably get something like this. Let's have a look. Now, if you ask me where the DXY is going, I'm not quite sure. So it can reach there, and then it could go from here and retest, then go down. Yeah, so at this stage we need more time for it to develop. So I kind of leave the DXY alone. Let's go over to the okay, so the H4. Alright, the EURUSD pair. So we have seen an order block which has been mitigated. Okay, breaker structure. This looks like a nice setup, if you ask me. So you could go to the lower time frames. So okay, that's just going down. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, it's a really nice price action. So these are some of my charts listings. Alright. Yeah. Well, it's not touching it. Top. Yep. Okay. Let's have a look. More like consolidation going on at the moment. It is actually, yeah, it's dropping, but we can't see any fair value gaps or any major. But taking it from the higher time frame, we can see a nice order block which has broken the breaker structure above. Yeah, so more likely could drop because the DXY is not making sense at the moment. Let's have a look at the daily on that one. Yeah, it's on a downtrend. We have to wait and see. Alright, let's go to the AUDCAD. Oh, this is a nice zone. So what I did, I marked the daily. Let's have a look. And then, it was taking out liquidity. Then I went to the H4. Can't really see an order block, but when I went to the H1, they had a nice, clean order block. Even, yeah, the minute 30 is even more better. So I had a retest, but yeah, you could expect something like this. Let's just put OB. Yeah, so something like this, could just drop down towards, I would say, yeah, something like that. Clone that. There we go. Alright, so that's the AUDCAD. I just want to see the news. What's the news saying actually? I have it somewhere here. Okay, here we go. Yeah, no, you can look at my FOREX factory also. I normally look at this. So the economic calendar for next week. What have we got here? Okay, so we got Sunday, Fed chair. Okay, the Fed is speaking. Is it today? Is it Sunday? I didn't know that. They're speaking. So we got Canadian dollar, CPI, which is quite good, especially for the US dollar also. Tuesday, okay, so Monday we don't have any news. And then Wednesday we got JPY. So I don't really trade that one, that's a bit late. So inflation rate, yeah. Existing home sales, yeah. FOMC, that's quite big, especially that rallies the market. Yeah, so that's the one to look out for. Okay, Thursday we got a lot of news. So I do like Thursday, that's one of my best days to trade. And a Friday I don't really trade. I occasionally put a little lot size on if the setup's 10 out of 10. Alright, let's go back to the charts. So AUDCAD, so we have this marked out. Let's go to the GBPUSD. I'm not trading this pair much often, but if I do, it has to be like a great setup. So the H4, it has taken the high out a bit at the moment. Let's have a look. Yeah, still needs to take that out. So I have, I put something like this, just come on retest from here, like a fair value gap. Something like this, I don't know. Let's have a look. Yeah, something just, touching this and dropping, really. If you ask me, at this stage, it needs to develop. Can't really see anything at the moment for this chart. But what I can see is a low taken out. Yeah, so, okay. That's a daily there. H1, let's have a look at the H1. Minute 30. Nothing at the moment. Nothing. It needs to develop. More likely, it might just, take some liquidity out and then go drop down. With let's have a look at the daily. It is at the moment on a downtrend. I should look at the weekly as well, at the monthly. Okay, alright. I don't normally look at the monthly and weekly. I should. Daily, yeah, I do. So at this stage, it's, in a downtrend. Nothing at the moment I can see here. No clear order blocks. Something here, we can see like a fair value gap, which I can expect. Yeah, something like that. Alright, so that's the weekly charts, and I hope you guys like this series. I will put more strategies, vlogs, and other videos up. So I'm just trying to do these weekly charts. When I get time, I just do it. I just post a lot of charts out and try to do the weekly ones. It's becoming like a passion now, and just going over over the charts. So if you look at this one, look, hold on, I just noticed. So that was a break of structure. I do trade the fair value gap. It's ICT Mentorship 2022 model, which I love. If you look at this, this is so clean. Look, hold on a minute. So that was taken out. So that's the order block. Yeah, touched it. Liquidity taken out from here, and then look, it left a fair value gap. And normally, what ICT says, you look for fair value gap between at least about 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. to get like a nice setup. 10:15 I've traded in fair value gaps. Look there, 9:30, 10, it just dropped. It starts to consolidate and then goes back up. Yeah, so that's it for this week, and please be tuned in the next chapter of the weekly outlets. I will post it out. I try to do it, every week, but I can't do it every week. Some weeks I can do it, but I will in the future start posting it out, on a regular basis. So thank you guys for watching this series, and trade safe next week. We have a lot of news. Thanks.